how can poor people or the middle class people will ever get to have money? It is not impossible, but it is very hard unless there is a miracle. That's what I'm going to talk about. This question began to haunt an emperor, a very benevolent emperor, Vishwamitra. And he knew as a king that it is not possible to give a great life for everybody. So he thought that the only way is to bring in God or a divine way or miracle. And that miracle is in the form of a mantra that was given to me. And we will spend a lot of time on this sound that can give you both material and spiritual wealth. And that sound is the sound Brzee, which I took on the request of this saint as my name. And a person spends 1200 years to create this sound that is going to uplift humanity. And he comes up, this is it. Use this sound and then you will have tremendous success, both spiritually and materially. I'm very grateful to this saint. The saint's name is Vishwamitra, who was the guru of Rama. And this sound has miraculous power. 1200 years of meditation power is packed into this sound. Whenever you are in trouble, just say this sound a few times. You will find an answer. If you have a problem, say this sound. I just only become the man who transmits the sound. The sound belongs to the saint who is Vishwamitra, means the friend of the people. He's a friend because he wanted to help humanity. And he just, well, you just take this. You have a disease, use this sound. This sound will help you to accomplish a lot of things that you cannot accomplish through the use of your mind. Who is Angali? Angali is the goddess who gives you siddhi powers. The image worship is not a superstition. God is everything. So, and then there is a great technology behind the image of God. Since you cannot see God's form, the image representation was created as a technological tool to experience and be with God all the time. That's why we just built a huge statue of Angali. Angali is Mother Kali, the Mother Divine, who will give you siddhi powers. Angali is the goddess who belongs to the Satya Yuga goddess, and that's why she's associated with highest form of knowledge or wisdom, which is to perform miracles, the miracle goddess. This is a very powerful worship, and that I am bringing back to the society. It is not me doing it. It was Angali herself doing this, coming into this world to give us not just material science, but spiritual science, which enable people to perform miracles by getting into the non-physical intelligence and activating your third eye in the brain. God bless.